Yellowstone National Park. The name alone conjures images of steaming geysers, majestic bison, and pristine wilderness. Established in 1872, Yellowstone holds the honor of being America's first national park. It's a place where nature's raw power and beauty converge, creating an experience unlike any other. This vast wonderland, spread across Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, beckons travelers with its promise of adventure and awe. Yellowstone is a testament to the Earth's geological wonders. Its geothermal features, a symphony of bubbling mud pots, colorful hot springs, and erupting geysers, are a sight to behold. But Yellowstone's allure extends far beyond its geothermal marvels. The park is a sanctuary for an incredible diversity of wildlife. Herds of bison roam freely, while elk graze in meadows alongside pronghorn and deer. Lucky visitors might catch a glimpse of a black bear or a grizzly, or even the elusive gray wolf. Towering mountains, pristine lakes, and roaring rivers complete the landscape, painting a picture of untamed beauty. Whether you're an experienced hiker or a first-time visitor, Yellowstone offers a journey into the heart of the American wilderness. Prepare to be captivated by the raw beauty and untamed spirit of Yellowstone. It's a place where you can disconnect from the everyday and reconnect with the natural world. Join us as we delve into the wonders of Yellowstone, providing you with all the information you need to plan an unforgettable trip. A trip to Yellowstone requires careful planning to make the most of your time in this vast wilderness. Start by deciding how you'll reach the park. 3 major airports serve as gateways to Yellowstone: Bozeman, Montana, Jackson, Wyoming, and Cody, Wyoming. Each airport offers rental car facilities, allowing you to embark on a scenic drive into the park. If you prefer not to drive, shuttle services operate between the airports and various points within Yellowstone. Once you've settled on your transportation, it's time to secure your park entry. A 7-day pass, priced at $35 per vehicle, grants you access to Yellowstone's wonders. For frequent visitors, an annual pass costing $70 offers unlimited entry for a full year. Lodging within Yellowstone's boundaries ranges from rustic campgrounds to comfortable hotels. Reservations are highly recommended, especially during peak season from June to August, as accommodations tend to book up quickly. Consider the location of your chosen lodging and its proximity to the attractions you wish to visit. With transportation and accommodation sorted, you're well on your way to experiencing the magic of Yellowstone. Yellowstone is a treasure trove of natural wonders, each more captivating than the last. Among these, a few stand out as must-see attractions on your Yellowstone itinerary. First on the list is the iconic Old Faithful, a geyser renowned for its predictable eruptions. Every 90 minutes or so, Old Faithful shoots a towering plume of boiling water high into the air, a spectacle that never fails to amaze. To avoid the largest crowds, plan your visit for early morning or late evening. Adjacent to Old Faithful, the Old Faithful Visitor Education Center provides fascinating insights into the science behind geysers and offers eruption predictions. Next on our list is the Grand Prismatic Spring, a geothermal masterpiece. This colossal hot spring, the largest in the United States, captivates the eye with its vibrant rainbow of colors. A boardwalk trail encircles the spring, offering close-up views of its steaming waters and intricate bacterial mats. For a breathtaking aerial perspective, take the short hike to the Grand Prismatic Spring overlook. Yellowstone National Park is an outdoor enthusiast paradise, offering a vast playground for adventure and exploration. With over 900 miles of hiking trails, there's a path for every skill level, from leisurely strolls to challenging climbs. Lace up your boots and embark on an unforgettable trek to scenic overlooks, hidden waterfalls, and serene lakes. For those seeking a closer look at Yellowstone's iconic wildlife viewing is a must-do activity. The Lamar Valley, often referred to as the Serengeti of North America, is renowned for its abundant wildlife sightings. Early mornings and late evenings offer the best chances to spot bison, elk, pronghorn, and if you're lucky, wolves and bears. Boating enthusiasts can take to the waters of Yellowstone Lake, the largest high-altitude lake in North America. Rent a kayak or join a guided boat tour to experience the park's beauty from a unique perspective. As you paddle across the tranquil waters, keep an eye out for bald eagles soaring overhead and otters frolicking near the shore. Section 5, Yellowstone for families, fun for all ages. A trip to Yellowstone National Park is an unforgettable adventure for the whole family. Children and adults alike will be captivated by the park's geothermal wonders, diverse wildlife, and endless opportunities for exploration. Start your family adventure at the Old Faithful Geyser, where kids will be mesmerized by the predictable eruptions of this natural wonder. The Upper Geyser Basin, home to Old Faithful, features flat, stroller-friendly boardwalks, making it easy to navigate with young children. The Grand Prismatic Spring is another must-see attraction that will leave a lasting impression on kids. Its vibrant colors and steaming waters are a sight to behold. For a change of pace, head to the Grizzly and Wolf Discovery Center in West Yellowstone, Montana, just outside the park's entrance. This educational facility provides a safe and up-close look at grizzly bears and gray wolves, offering valuable insights into their behavior and conservation efforts. Section 6. Staying safe in Yellowstone's wild embrace. While Yellowstone's beauty is undeniable, it's crucial to remember that you're venturing into a wild and unpredictable environment. Safety should be a top priority throughout your trip. One of the most important aspects of staying safe in Yellowstone is respecting the wildlife. Remember, you're entering their home. Always maintain a safe distance from animals, observing them from afar. Never approach or feed wildlife, as this can habituate them to humans and lead to dangerous encounters. Carry bear spray and know how to use it effectively in case of a bear encounter. Store all food and scented items securely in bear-resistant containers. Yellowstone's geothermal features, while mesmerizing, also pose potential hazards. Stay on designated boardwalks and trails when exploring geysers, hot springs, and mud pots. The ground around these features can be unstable and the water scalding hot. Never throw anything into geothermal features, as this can damage them and disrupt their natural processes. Section 7. Packing essentials for your Yellowstone trip. Packing for a trip to Yellowstone National Park requires careful consideration of the unpredictable weather and rugged terrain you'll encounter. Layering your clothing is key to staying comfortable throughout the day. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer, followed by insulating layers such as fleece or wool. A waterproof and windproof outer layer is essential for protection against sudden showers and chilly winds. Footwear is another crucial consideration. Opt for sturdy, comfortable hiking boots that provide good ankle support and traction. Don't forget essential navigation tools. While cell phone service can be spotty in the park, a physical map, compass, and GPS device will ensure you stay on track. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when hiking. Carry a reusable water bottle and consider bringing a hydration pack for longer treks. Section 8. Responsible tourism, protecting Yellowstone's legacy. As visitors to Yellowstone National Park, we have a responsibility to protect its natural beauty and preserve it for generations to come. Practicing responsible tourism ensures that future generations can experience the same wonder and awe that we do today. One of the most important principles of responsible tourism is leave no trace. This set of guidelines encourages visitors to minimize their impact on the environment by packing out everything they pack in, disposing of waste properly, and staying on designated trails. Respecting wildlife is paramount. Observe animals from a distance and never feed them. Feeding wildlife can alter their natural behaviors and lead to dependence on humans. Minimizing your environmental impact is another key aspect of responsible tourism. Consider carpooling, using the park's shuttle system, or renting hybrid or electric vehicles to reduce your carbon footprint. Stick to designated trails to avoid trampling vegetation and disturbing wildlife habitats. Section 9. Yellowstone, an unforgettable journey awaits. Yellowstone National Park is more than just a destination. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left its majestic landscapes behind. From its steaming geysers and colorful hot springs to its diverse wildlife and endless opportunities for adventure, Yellowstone has something to offer every traveler. As you plan your journey into the heart of this natural wonderland, remember the importance of responsible tourism. By respecting the park's rules, protecting its wildlife, and minimizing your environmental impact, you'll help preserve Yellowstone's legacy for generations to come. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and prepare to be captivated by the raw beauty and untamed spirit of Yellowstone. An unforgettable journey awaits you.